G'day guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And today on the show we're going to draw
one of the hot dogs from Dogman.
One of the hot dogs from Dogman. All right, let's do it.
Woo!
All right, so we're going to do one of the hot dog buns on the side here. All right, so we're going to go around like this and around like that. Remember, the quicker you go, the more precise it's going to be. I know it could be hard at home to do that, but it's a challenge. Now we're going to do the hot dog inside of it. So the sausage, I guess you could say. And so we're going to come up to here, the same thing. Around, down, and up again like a U and back into the bun. So you imagine that's the bun, that's the hot dog. And over here, we're going to have a part of the bun as well. So the bun on this side is going to be a little bit different because of the way this hot dog is walking. So we're going to come up to here. I'm going to go out, sort of like a slight mountain down and in like that. Yep, that's the way. Cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do like the hot dog's hand in here. So we're going to go 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers like that. It's kind of like sort of dips in and around. So you follow some sort of, kind of looks like a nose actually when you look about it, look at it really carefully. All right. Over here, we're going to have a hand. So these hands are pretty rough in the Dave Pilkey universe. So you want to go around like 1, like that, 1 finger. Yep, 2 fingers.
Well, this is his first book.
3 fingers. This is in the first Dogman book, isn't it? The hot dogs, do they get sprayed with living spray?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, next we want to do the feet of the walking hot dog. So you want to go down there on an angle, like that. Yep. And then you want to loop around, up, around like that. There you go. Yep. And then you want to go into there. So that forms one of his legs, he's walking. And then over here, what you want to do, you go down an angle like that. Good job. And then you want to sort of loop around into there. Yep, and then we're going to go up into there, like so. Okay, you can see he's walking along. Now, what we want to do is we're going to do the mustard on his body. So you want to go, you can do this probably however you want, but I'm just going to go up and down, kind of like a snake, into there. Yep, and go curve in on the bottom, Phoenix. Yep, beautiful. And then we're just going to do like little loops here, half sort of circles like that. So you can imagine when this mustard was put on, it goes around in there, but the bun's obviously pushing against it. Good work, Phoenix. Now we're going to do his face. So pretty simple, 2 lines like this, the eyes, sort of straight lines. We're going to have his nose as a circle. And then you want to do like a kind of an interesting smile like that. And because these hot dogs are a little bit evil in the book, we're going to put a V up here. Oh, look, now he's evil. Now he's a cheeky hot dog. He's like, I'm coming to look at you. What do they actually do in the book?
They try to take over.
Take over the world?
All the dogs eat them.
Oh, okay, right. And just to set this one apart, what we'll do is we'll draw a line under here like that, just to show that he's like walking. Yeah, beautiful, Phoenix. Good job. And let's do some little drops here around him just to show that he's up to something. He's a bit cheeky. So these sort of start, you go loop, they're kind of like leaves if you want to say that, but these are like, he's like, ooh, he's got an idea, a cheeky idea. Good job, Phoenix. I like yours. This is like, hey, I'm going to go cause some trouble.
What?
All right, well, there we go. We drew the outlines of the hot dogs from a Dogman. Okay, so what's the next step, Phoenix?
Color in.
Color in. All right, we'll see you soon. Woo. All right, there we go, guys. We colored in the hot dog from Dogman. What did you think, Phoenix?
Good.
It's good, isn't it? I like your hot dog. He looks very, very hot.
Yes.
Yeah, very hot. And he's walking on the ground and stuff. That's probably why we put these little sweat marks in. Bit of a happy accident there. I thought he was like, woo, but man, he's like hot. I'm a hot dog. Whew, sweating. What's another thing you liked about it?
Like this bit that we made, it kind of looks like game Minecraft.
It looks like Minecraft, doesn't it? Yeah, the colors there at the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Sort of mashing up universes, multiverse. All right, so anyway, my name is Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And today we had fun making art, and I hope you did too. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Welcome to another episode.
Phoenix likes a good hot dog, don't you? You like mustard. Big fan of mustard.
We mostly say
Mustard, tomato sauce, or ketchup, wherever you are. It could be called ketchup. We call it tomato sauce here in Australia. Tomato sauce.